By combining satellite imagery with predictive AI, we deliver real-time, high-resolution insights, cutting costs by 30% and improving risk assessment accuracy by 40%. Trusted by global leaders, backed by top AI experts, and already making waves in 12 countries. We don't just track ESG risks, we help prevent them.
The stage is yours, and you may begin your 7-minute presentation right now.
Konnichiwa. My name is Natalia, and I'm a co-founder and CEO of WeavInsight brand from WeavInsight. Our solution is changing and giving superpowers to investors to help them predict climate-related risks and allow them to make much better and long-term decisions. Recently, just this Monday, we had a huge event in fire affecting many homes in Japan. These events are increasingly happening globally and creating huge risks for people, for the societies, for governments, and of course, for investors. We need to take actions to reduce those risks and to reduce those 28 trillion in losses that is happening around us. At the same time, we are having big problems in terms of data quality to manage and predict those risks. The ESG data is limited quality, and financial institutions are suffering the result of this. I spent over 14 years as an engineer building solutions powered by remote sensing from satellite, Earth observation, IoT, and drone technology to solve this kind of problems, and 7 years working in advanced computing as well. My team has over 40 years experience building solutions to reduce the risks, coming from background in finance, in engineering, in data science, and also in creating beautiful user interfaces for our clients. Our solution is powered by artificial intelligence and high-accuracy data, proprietary data coming from satellite Earth observation, hyperspectral and SAR data. We combine that with drone collection system that allows us to zoom in on a specific location and analyze with high resolution, and as well as ground IoT sensor that allows us to track specific location when required with high-resolution data. This allows us to track, predict investment performance across sites and to be able to analyze the risk in real time. There is a lot of advantages of this solution compared to other options in the market. We track over 20 indicators regarding to the climate risk as well as sustainability performance. We have global coverage already operating across Asia, Europe, North America, and expanding. And also, we have updates every hour at 0.2 to 1 meter resolution. And we build predictive models that do not just monitor, but also predict the performance of your specific investments into the future. The Climate AI Investment Advisor software allows us to perform high accuracy, high resolution analysis. On the left, you can see the picture of what is normally available in terms of data accuracy of a site analysis. But on the right, you see increase in over 100x in resolution that allows us to track it down to specific asset level, like a building or a specific site. This allows to achieve much greater risk reduction potential. We have an innovative business model. Our artificial intelligence algorithms learns and creates new opportunities. You can import a portfolio of any sites that you are investing, for example, real estate projects or infrastructure projects. You can segment by sector, company, or site. You can calibrate using expert data because we've partnered with standards bodies like British Standards Institute to allow us to calibrate our models constantly to ensure their high accuracy. We use this to monitor and predict risk, personalizing data display based on the requirements of the investor or the user of this platform. And we provide investment decisions, not just right now, but into the future, allowing you to project 3 to 10 years in advance, depending on your investment horizon. Our solution is validated by global leaders and standards bodies and regulators. It has been listed as the top performing solution by Monetary Authority of Singapore, Reserve Bank of India, and also we are working very closely with standards bodies like British Standards Institute to calibrate our models and to adapt them to ensure they are performing with high accuracy. This allows us to achieve improved accuracy compared to competition and also improved analysis speed compared to other solutions on the market. We are already expanding globally. Over the last 2 months, we have achieved over 2 million in ARR in terms of projects, and we are growing every month. There is over 150% growth in this period. We have over 20 customer projects across Asia, in Singapore, across Southeast Asia, in East Asia, Japan, Korea, as well as in Europe and North America. We already implemented across many countries and working with financial institutions to implement these projects, as well as the companies they invest in. The impact on financial industry is significant. For our investors and fund managers using this software, the time savings is going from weeks and months to minutes. They are able to analyze and assess their risks. They're going from 15 million in cost, Japan yen, to less than 1 million or around 1 million in costs. And 10 meters resolution with gaps in coverage to less than 1 meter resolution. This allows to significantly push the boundary of what is possible. For example, in our case studies, looking at the land use and climate risk data for agricultural and regulated entities with RBI, we are able to see, using our super resolution software, to be able to see the great outcomes, increasing speed of regulated entity risk management and accurate risk performance analysis. This solution is already seeing a lot of business growth across 4 continents. We are working with companies to analyze different indicators, such as biodiversity, such as construction and energy projects, and also monitoring the carbon offsets using high-resolution data and climate risk, of course. This solution has been validated by regulators globally, by auditors and system integrator companies, as well as received over 25 technology awards. Our vision is to provide climate-resilient investment AI in Tokyo and beyond. We are currently setting up a partnership program in Japan. We are creating sustainable finance data consortium between Singapore and Tokyo and expanding it across other regions in Japan. And we are creating environmental digital twin platform that is going to be launched within the next quarters. If we receive this award, we will be investing in our local operations, R&D team, and also our sales team here. Our solution is also aligned with Tokyo Government 2030 initiatives and resilience project. Thank you very much, and please join us to revolutionize the sustainable investment.
Thank you very much. That was Dr. Natalia Mikyalova, CEO and founder of WeavInsight Partnership Limited from Singapore, with a climate AI investment advisor.